This is a middle split variation. Lift your left leg up and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale down. Slowly come up, lift your arms up, both legs straight, feet inside. Slowly right hand down, left hand catch your right feet and right leg lift up and slowly look up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 and exhale. Both legs down, feet inside, lift your arms up, neck back straight and exhale, catch your both feet, neck back straight and bend forward, look forward and exhale, chest and chin down, touch on your mat and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and